In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute participants in Google Meet. Whether you're running a class, leading a team call, or hosting a webinar, knowing how to quickly mute someone can keep things clear and professional. Start by signing in to your Google account and joining the meeting where you need to manage audio. If you plan to mute others, make sure you're the meeting organizer or a co-host. Those roles have the controls needed to manage participants' microphones. Once you're in, take a moment to verify your mic and speakers are working, then proceed to the participant controls. Look to the top right corner of the Google Meet window and open the People panel. It's the icon that looks like a group or maybe labeled Show Everyone. This opens a sidebar listing all attendees, including who's muted already. If the list is long, use the search field at the top of the panel to quickly find the person you're looking for. When you've located the participant you want to mute, hover over their name and click the 3 vertical dots to open the More Options menu. This is where you'll find the control to mute that individual without affecting others in the call. It's useful for quieting through background noise, echo, or accidental open mics while keeping the meeting moving. Choose mute and then confirm in the prompt that appears. The confirmation helps prevent accidental clicks. After you confirm, that participant's microphone will be silenced for everyone. They'll see a notification that they were muted and their mic icon will switch to show it's off. Keep in mind this action doesn't remove them from the call and it doesn't stop them from chatting or sharing their screen. Only their microphone is affected. A few important notes. You can't unmute someone on their behalf. For privacy reasons, only the participant can turn their mic back on. If you don't see the mute option, double check that you're signed in with the correct account and that you have host or co-host privileges. On slower connections, the People panel may take a moment to load, so give it a second for the 3 dots menu to appear. Best practice is to give a quick heads up in the chat or verbally before muting, especially in larger or public meetings, so people know why it happened and how to unmute themselves when they're ready. That's it. Join your meeting, open People, select the participant, click the 3 dots, and confirm mute. With these steps, you'll keep your meetings clear, focused, and interruption-free.